Every masterpiece begins with a daily ritual, and so do you. At Inkfluence of Art, we believe healing is an art, and like any artist, your most powerful tools are intention, creativity, and consistency. That's why we invite you to reclaim your day, your power, and your purpose through the gentle force of daily rituals. What is an INK ritual? An INK ritual is not a routine. It's not another to-do list item. It's a sacred pause, a moment in your day where intention meets action, where your thoughts realign with your values, and where your potential quietly unfurls like ink on a blank page. Each ritual is intentional. You choose it for your growth. Nourishing. It feeds your mind, body, and spirit. Kinetic. It gets energy moving in your life. Simple. Powerful. Personal. That's the INK way. Ritual ideas to get you started. Fountain pen the 3-minute mirror mantra. Stand in front of the mirror and declare your truth. I am healing. I am enough. I am rising. Fountain pen art before screens. Before checking your phone, grab a pen or brush. Scribble, doodle, color outside the lines. Let your spirit wake up through your hands. Fountain pen breath plus ink release. Write one thing that's weighing you down. Exhale. Now burn, bury, or tear that paper, ritually releasing what no longer belongs. Fountain pen the gratitude sketch. Every evening, draw a quick symbol of what you're thankful for. A cup, a heart, a sun. It's not about perfection, it's about presence. Why rituals matter. Rituals are tiny revolutions. They break cycles, heal wounds, build bridges back to your center. At Inkfluence of Art, our coaching helps you discover your sacred rituals, rooted in healing, aligned with your story, and designed to support your growth as both a work and a worker of art. Ready to INK your life? We're not just pushing the buttons, we're rewiring the canvas. Join our community of creative healers and life artists. Whether you're recovering, reinventing, or just remembering your magic, we're here to guide you, one ritual, one breath, one brushstroke at a time. Backend index pointing right, start your INK ritual journey with us at www.inkfluenceofart.com. Follow us at Inkfluence and tag your daily rituals with hashtag INK, because every day deserves a signature.
In the quiet I return to me, in the silence I learn to see. My breath, my brush, my soul aligned, each moment is a sacred sign. Ink my life with love and light, rituals rising in the night. Mark my day with truth and grace. Let each step become my place. I am healing, I am whole. Every breath rewrites my soul. Through the pain, I found my pen. Now I begin again, again. Ink my life with love and light, rituals rising in the night. Mark my day with truth and grace. Let each step become my place. I draw my life with sacred space. Each word I speak, each choice I make is ink that shapes the path I take. I am the artist, I am the page. I hold the pen, I hold the stage. With every breath I rise again. My healing flows from soul to pen. I am the artist, I am the page. I hold the pen, I hold the stage. With every breath I rise again. My healing flows from soul to pen. I am the artist, I am the page. I hold the pen, I hold